If you're looking for a way to schedule an auto shutdown, then this video is for you. Let's get into it next. Okay, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is go down to search. We'll type in Task Scheduler. Bring up Task Scheduler here. Then we want to go over here. We want to create a basic task, which will bring this window up here. And in here, you want to give it a name. So something like shutdown at 7 p.m. after work. You can also put in a description if you want to, but I'm not going to. Let's go next. Then we can set up when we want the shutdown to happen. We want it to happen daily or weekly or monthly. Let's go ahead and say daily. Let's go ahead and next. Then we want to pick the day that it starts and the time that it starts. Let's go over here and we'll set it up around 7 o'clock. Stand on this a little bit until we get close to where we want. And this is going to recur every 1 day. Let's go ahead and hit next. Let's start a program. Let's go ahead and hit next. And in here we're going to type in shutdown because we want the program shutdown to start. And then down here we're going to add some arguments. So down here in the arguments we're going to go ahead and add some options. We're going to add /s space /f space /t space 0. What this stands for is the S stands for shutdown, the F stands for force running programs to terminate without user warning, and the T stands for time to shut down. You can put 0 in here for immediately, 10 for a few seconds, or 60 for a minute, and so on. Then we'll hit next. And that's basically it. We'll hit finish, and that'll happen from now on. So the system will shut itself down every day at 7 o'clock after work. So that's basically how you create an auto shutdown inside of Windows 10. And that's about it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.